May I come in, sir?
Yes, please do.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please take your seat.
Good afternoon.
You're comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Divyanshi, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Divyanshi, will you prefer English as your medium of interview?
Yes, sir.
You're comfortable in
and-
English?
Yes.
Okay. Right, Divyanshi, you must have noticed that we are taking COVID-19 thing very seriously, and
Yes.
we are taking whatever steps necessary for that.
Yes, sir.
One of the step is that we have kept your chair at adequate distance so that you feel safe and all of us feel safe, right?
Yes, sir.
You can, and another advantage of keeping the chair that far is that if you choose to remove your mask, you will be feeling safe enough because there is adequate distance, and also you'll be avoiding that fogging thing on the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
glasses. So, if you'd like to remove your mask,
Yes, sir. Yes.
please do.
Thank you, sir.
You're comfortable?
Yes.
Feeling relaxed?
Yes.
Right, let us start then. Divyanshi, to begin with, I want you to introduce yourself to the board members in a manner that your name is not repeated, your caste, your community, other identity markers are not mentioned. Please do.
Sir, I belong to Shahjahanpur and I have done my schooling from there only. And after that, I completed my civil engineering from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. And after that, presently I am teaching as a faculty in a coaching institute for civil services, and at the same time also preparing.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Take your seat. Srishti Jayant Deshmukh,
Yes, sir.
tell us something about you.
Sir, my full name is Srishti Jayant Deshmukh and I come from Bhopal. I'm an enthusiastic and determined girl. I have done my graduation in chemical engineering from Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology. And I recently completed my diploma in women's empowerment and development from the Indira Gandhi National Open University.
Okay.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Take your seat, Akshat.
Thank you, sir.
Akshat Jain.
Yes, sir.
Akshat, give a brief description about yourself.
So my name is Akshat Jain. I am 23 years old. I was born in Jaipur, Rajasthan, from where I've done my high schooling. And I've done my bachelor's in design from IIT Guwahati. And so my interests include fitness, swimming, football. And so this is going to be my second attempt at UPSC and my first interview.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
ma'am.
Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Zunaid Ahmed,
Yes, sir.
give a brief introduction about yourself.
Sir, I belong to Bijnor district in Uttar Pradesh. I've done my primary education from Aligarh Muslim University. Then I came to Noida. From there, I did my graduation in electronics communication engineering. Currently, I'm in Indian Revenue Service. I'm under training in Faridabad.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Neha Banerjee,
Yes, sir.
give a brief introduction about yourself.
Sir, my name is Neha Banerjee. I come from the city of Kolkata in West Bengal, and I have done my graduation in electrical engineering from IIT Kharagpur. I have passed out in 2018. Since then, I have been working in a software company called Adobe Systems Private Limited, and side by side, I have been preparing for civil services. May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Have your seat, Ashma.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself to the board members.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm Ashima. I am from Mewat, Haryana. I have done my graduation from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi, and I have done my graduation in biochemical engineering and biotechnology. I also got a chance to pursue some of my research abroad. So I have been to Taiwan. I have been for a 3 months internship to Switzerland also. I tried to explore myself in various other fields in the college. So I was involved in music, in the singing, and I was also involved in volleyball in my college.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
बैठिए, बैठिए.
थैंक यू सर।
आपका नाम?
रवि कुमार सिहाग।
रवि कुमार सिहाग। रवि, कहाँ से हैं आप?
सर मैं राजस्थान के गांव 3 DAM और जिला श्रीगंगानगर का निवासी हूँ।
और ये आपका यूपीएससी में कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है?
सर सेकंड अटेम्प्ट है।
सेकेंड। पिछली बार क्या हुआ था?
सर पिछली बार IRTS मिला था, 337 रैंक थी।
अच्छा, आप IRTS में हैं, 337 रैंक था। और पिछली बार इंटरव्यू में कितने मार्क्स मिले थे आपको?
सर 168।
168, ये तो बहुत अच्छे नंबर नहीं है। तो आपने पिछले 1 साल में अपने व्यक्तित्व में ऐसे क्या परिवर्तन किए कि आपको उम्मीद है कि इस बार अच्छे नंबर मिलेंगे?
सर एक तो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे मैंने थोड़ा और वर्क किया कि जो भाषा पे थोड़ी पकड़ है उसको और मजबूत किया। दूसरा सर जो आंसर देने की शैली है उसमें मैंने जो स्ट्रक्चर और कॉन्टेक्स्ट है उसमें सर सुधार किए हैं। और उसके अलावा सर जैसे अन्य भाषाएं हैं, कई बार इंग्लिश में पूछते हैं तो उस पर मैंने थोड़ा वर्क किया है कि ताकि अगर इंग्लिश में भी मेरे से पूछा जाए तो मैं उसका सहजता से आंसर दे सकूँ।
तो पिछली बार ऐसा तो नहीं लगा कि आपने अच्छा इंटरव्यू दिया किंतु अंक खराब मिले आपको?
नहीं सर, मुझे जब मैंने एनालिसिस किया तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरे इंटरव्यू के हिसाब से बिल्कुल सही नंबर है।
सही नंबर थे, ठीक है।